Mason. Good morning, guys. Today is the first day of Vlogmas. Yay! Okay, hopefully we can really make it through every single day. But, you know, I have some things planned and some things that are not planned. So hopefully it works out. Today is Chris's birthday and he is sleeping right now. It's just me and Mason up. Me and my bestie, my boy bestie. And today we have a lot of cleaning to do around the house. We had to clean the kitchen, clean the bathroom, do a little bit of laundry. And we got to finish that doll because we never finished that. So we got some things to do. And then we'll celebrate with Chris for a little bit too. So let's get the day going. What you saying, Mason? What are you saying? You're so handsome.
So I think we should do one last thing. Let's throw some.
Mason's over there minding his business watching Blippi. He's like obsessed with Blippi now. Zoe's asleep. She got up early, bothered me for about an hour for a bottle. I finally got up and gave her one, and she went back to sleep. So let's get going. You want to dance?
Yes.
Thank you. We ran out of this house yesterday because we were going over to my brother-in-law's house, and there is stuff everywhere. This kitchen is a mess. Coffee bar is okay. Stove needs to be cleaned. I just put that there, so I need to clean that. Sink is a total mess. Everything is a mess. That's cake from last night. Got to put all that mail away. Stuff we took with us yesterday. Stuff all over the table. We got some work to do. So just about to start getting the house cleaned up, and I got my last exchange package from Shein, girl. So, why did I put that on the table? So we're about to open this up and see if the stuff inside is legit. Oh, these are cute. We're gonna try these on.
Watch. Mommy.
Yes.
Watch.
Why do these look like they're gonna hurt? Try that one. They're a little high.
Mommy.
They're cute though. All right.
No.
Be careful.
Big boo.
Then we got these holiday nails.
Okay.
These look a little big.
Okay.
I have little fingers.
Down. Okay. Yes.
This shirt feels really nice. It's like really soft. I'm gonna have to try it on for sure. But, okay, let's get to cleaning. What are these kids doing to my husband? He looks like he needs some help. Save me. I'm going to attempt to press my hair to straighten it because I need to cut the ends.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch ain't bad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with the scene. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's floating a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking me like that I'm mean. That is bitch, are you shitting me? If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their next, they's not breathing. Them in their check, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you?
You guys having fun? You having fun? It doesn't take much, huh? Okay, bye. Bye. Alright, I finally finished it. It's definitely getting some length to it. But these ends are super damaged. So I'm gonna have to cut off like an inch. maybe half an inch. I don't know, whatever. Whatever I need to cut off, I'm gonna cut off. But, you know, I got hair, so. Let's go and prepare Chris's birthday cake. I used 4 little bites with some whipped cream and a raspberry. Hold on.
Let's go.
Come, let's go. Come on. Happy birthday, Daddy. Sing, guys. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Wait, Mason. Let Daddy make a wish. And then he has to blow out the candle, right? Good job, Zoe.
Blow.
Blow the candle.
Blow. Blow.
Oh! Yay! Do you love it?
I really do. That's really cute. That's really cute. And these are their muffins.
So, yeah. I actually bought them for you.
That's really cute. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But no, let the kids eat it.
There's plenty of muffins. That's really good with whipped cream on it.
Huh?
That's really good with whipped cream on it.